Decoupage door hanging for a baby shower. Everything you're going to need for your baby shower gift or new arrival for a baby girl. A 9-inch wood letter with the initial, obviously, of the baby's name. If you don't know it, you're gonna have to wait. That's all I can tell you. And a 12 by 12 acid-free scrapbooking paper. If it's a boy, go with the blue, obviously. Any type of embellishments, I found this really cool. Unicorn in Hobby Lobby, half price. Anything that you would like to put on there. Your Mod Podge, a brush to put it on, scissors, crafter's tape, and X-ACTO knife, because you're going to be cutting around once the paper is dry. And your iron, no steam, set to medium heat. Okay, we're gonna let this dry. And while you're letting yours dry, find some embellishments you'd like to put on there. You don't want to overload it, but you want it to look really cute. I will see you back. Now the glue's dry on your letter. And I forgot to mention, you may want your hot glue gun as well to put some of the embellishments on. So you have your iron set to medium, no steam. We're going to line up your paper to the letter, right on the edges, only for the reason I don't like to waste paper. So I'll line it up right about off the edge a little bit. And you can kind of feel where it's at. You want to make sure you cover the entire letter. Get your parchment paper, put that right on top. Your hot iron with no steam, and start to adhere this paper onto the letter. And it usually doesn't take too long. But this paper is a lot thicker than the normal tissue and rice paper that we've been using in my other videos, so you need to really check it good, especially the edges. If they come loose, when the project's over, you can always get a little bit of a glue stick and put it back on, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. It feels pretty hot. Let's let that cool off for a second and see how we did. She seems to be on there pretty good. This way you save your blade. Now you got extra for another project. And that's good enough. Have an extra blade because you will go through 2 of them with this. Where should we start? We're going to start on the inside. What you want to do is get your blade, start right up at the very top edge, poke it through, and just go right along the side. And please be extra careful not to cut yourself. Perfect. Okay. Whoops, sorry about that. We got the middle done. Now we're going to start the edges over here. Nice, clean, sharp blades is what you need to get that really smooth look. If you use a duller blade, it's going to fray the paper, and that's going to look really crappy. Now we're ready to put the embellishments on. I found this in the ribbon section at the craft store. Little roses on this lace, and it's hard to get it to stay on the paper, so that's why I'm going to use this crafter's tape. The permanent crafter's tape. It stays on pretty well. So I'm going to do the entire length. So I'm just going to start at the top and go on down. And that should do it. Because this lace is really pretty and I do want to add it on there. Let's start at this end and cut that piece off. And if you miss some spots, you can always add it a little bit more, which I think I'm going to have to. All right. What is next? I'm going to do this unicorn. I have to put this on there. It's so pretty. This I got half price from Hobby Lobby. Looks like it's a pin. So I'm going to take the fastener part off because we don't need that. I'm going to do it very carefully with, I guess I can use these, and just gently go back and forth until it loosens and comes right off. Easy as that. Except for this guy here, I'm going to have to get that off somehow. There we go. And this one's going to be a little bit more of a problem, I think. Really sharp wire cutters will do it. Otherwise, it's not going to stay on. And just watch yourself. Adorable. I love it. That is going to look so cute. Okay, I'm going to use, I'm going to use the glue gun just to get it on there for sake of the video. But normally I would not use it. This is a heavier piece of embellishment, and I would use the quick grip glue or any type of glue that's going to permanently keep it on there. Glue gun, if there's a temperature drop or temperature increase or something, it's going to wear down. You don't want this thing falling down. So I'm going to put the permanent on as well as the glue gun. Or didn't I use this right there? Okay, you don't want to put it on where the other glue is, because sometimes it causes a gas and it's not fun. I'm going to press on down a little bit. Make sure that stays. That's going to be so pretty when it's done. I can't wait. Next, let's do some fake flowers there, because I want to put a butterfly up there, or nah, that's right, that looks good. And then we'll put the little bow, tiny little bows right there. That's perfect. And I need more. Got it. Come on, you dirty dog. You want to get this on there quick because it dries so fast. And I burnt myself more times doing it this way, but I gotta get it on here. Ow, ow, ow. See? Just like that. Damn. Okay, what's next? We'll put you on there with this tape. This does stick pretty nicely on to fabric embellishments, surprisingly. And it stays. I've had pretty good luck with it. This is AdTech Crafters Tape Permanent. This I bought at Michael's. I'll have the link for everything that I'm using in the description below. Comments are always welcome. Suggestions always welcome. I answer all questions and comments as quickly as possible because I love hearing from everybody. Okay, let's see. We're going to put that there. And you can send all your questions, comments to the email address right there in the corner, and it'll also be in the description. If you have any suggestions of something you would like me to make, please let me know and I will definitely get it done. Which one? This one or this one? Yeah, we already have checkers, so we're not going to do that. Good enough. That's really, really cute. I'm going to add a few more flowers to that. Hobby Lobby Paper Studio. Buy them when they're 50% off. And I will also have these and anything else in the description. These are self-adhesive, but they don't always stay. So just one little drop of the hot glue will work. We're going to put one up there just to break it up a little bit. And a couple of these guys. These are really cute. These are paper too. There. You can put anything that you want. If the mom has a specific color theme or characters, you can put them on there as well. I just think these make such a really cool and sweet gift for a new baby. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more fun and great tutorials I'm going to be posting up. And I'm just going to keep on going here. I want to thank you all for watching, and click on the next video. And I will see you all back here again soon.